Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to design a lightbox banner in Photoshop. If it's your first time, please subscribe and turn on notification to get another tutorial. And if you have question, please let me know in the comment.
Okay, today we start with party concept again. So the first step, we create a new document. I go to File, choose New, or you can Ctrl N. For here is Present Detail. The top one is the title of our document. I just example, you can put the name what you want. And for here, I choose centimeters. For width, I put 30. And height, I put 50. Resolution 300 pixels per inch. Color mode RGB 8-bit. Background content white. And advanced option, I don't change and create. And this is our new document. We have to save the document. I go File, choose Save As, and choose the place you want to save and click Save. Now I need to insert some of my design. I go File, Place Embedded, around here, this one, and select what I want. And this is the background. I want to change color of it a little bit. I go to Filter. I choose Camera Raw Filter. For black, I put -22. And saturation, I put 22. And OK. And next step, I need to add color balance. I click here and I choose color balance. Click on here. For cyan, I put -50 and magenta -12. Okay, I choose like that. I add a new layer by click here. And I choose brush tool. Opacity, I put 50%. Color, make sure it's black. And brush around here. I want to add a rectangle around here. So I use rectangle tool. Fill, I choose red. Yes, I choose red color. I draw it. And I go to View, Guide, and New Card Layout. And I tick on Machine. Yes, I put 50 all of it. And next step, I have to import my subject. I go to File, Place Embedded, and select the picture. And for all of picture, you can download on link in description. I Ctrl-J my subject to make copy. And for the below one, I mask to the rectangle, right click and create clipping mask. After that, put layer mask to about layer. Click here. Yes. I need to select pixels on rectangle. For select pixel, we hold Ctrl and click. We go to select this one. We click on inverse or Shift Ctrl I. We go to about layer, click on mask and choose brush tool. Opacity I put 100. Make sure the color is black and we mask it. Ctrl D to deselect. Okay, I want to put shadow to the main subject. I stand on it and I go F8, blending option. I click on drop shadow. I change angle, just hold click and drag. Okay, like that. I want to make the main subject black and white. I stand on it and I click here and choose black and white. Right click on it and create clipping mask. Okay. For next step, I add a rectangle around here and around here. I use rectangle tool. Fill I choose red and stroke I choose no stroke. I Ctrl J to make copy and drag to another side. Okay, next up I need to add company logo. I go to File, Place Embedded and select logo. Okay, I put here and I add text over here. I use text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. And below it one more. Ctrl J to my copy and drag it down. And tap another text. I put date. Here is just my example. I change color to red. I have to change font. Okay. I add another text over here. I use text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. Okay, I put Saturday and another text. I want to add shadow to party text. I stand on it and go to F8. I click on drop shadow. I change color to black. another text with text tool again. For here is music by, and below it DJ name. You can put the real DJ name. Add more text. I put booking now. After that, I want to put contact, social media icon, website, and my location. I want to add rectangle below location. I use rectangle tool and fill. I choose red again. Okay, I just customize text a little bit. And finally, our work is finished. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. See you next video, and if you have some question, let me know in the comment.